Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a driver's license in Texas at 18. Let's get started. So, if you're looking for a driver's license while living in Texas, this is the perfect video for you, because it is so simple that you can apply for it online and give the test online as well. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to dps.texas.gov, okay, and that brings you to Texas Department of Public Safety's online website, where you can pretty much apply online for a driver's license. Okay, and you're probably wondering, how does one apply online? It's really easy and it's really simple. Okay, you can pretty much apply online in the easiest and most simplest way. So, if you want to become a driver, you can simply come over to DPS. So, basically this is the Real ID document check application, where they're going to basically ask you for your documents and verify everything. And once you have given them the right documents to verify all the things that are needed, what happens from there is you can start your test. If you are not a US citizen, don't apply. You need to have Texas residency, identity, social security number, evidence of Texas vehicle registration, and proof of insurance on the Texas vehicle. And once this is done, you can simply come over here and start your test, where they're going to ask you for your original or certified copy of a birth certificate, social security card, current Texas vehicle registration, current automobile insurance, and if your name is changed, legal documents to show proof. And it's going to ask you all of these questions. Just go through with it, and by the end of it, you're going to have yourself a fully documented Texas driver's license. Handling official applications and documents online means sharing sensitive personal information. Protecting that data is important, so consider securing your connection. For reliable online protection, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.